Majala uba Preston Song, ulalit ban plia umat dur Bashirin yang jong Reverend JJM Nichols Roy, kabalabu usahakan mau Hamadan jong Galarity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. Hakan igasngi basa akan mau lawan bandan bentalang daki ship hongut ki MDC nake District Council jong athan shite lamingi uba polling do Menteri Badai Kemi Ikatanat Arts and Culture uba penyat sing CM ke KHADC Upratyat Manikya Deburman ubade Chairman ke TTAADC ringkat kinong yalam ke balang ublay kis ki sordar rangba shnong kinong kit kam shnong bat ki weipat ki basyak khot sngobha ba President Song ulaong bagajnya tadi apring ke District Council kanong ke jingklan ya ke 6 schedule ke belawan ra the Reverend JJM Nichols Roy ulaong ru ba omde ban klat ba Reverend JJM Nichols Roy uday kupa ke 6 schedule but day nakadaw jung u bangila yo e kejing ada but kejing ong ke District Council kamlong ke badan kam Henry kani kejing kran kalong ke babakla
in the state government of our CM from Genty Hills to our CM from
I'm not Paul, but
of India, as well as when we go back to the history of Meghalaya. On behalf of the state government, I would like to welcome all the honorable CM of the district councils in the northeastern states. We have 10 district councils. Some of them CM are not here, but the representative in the form of executive members, ministers, chairman, and the members of the district council. Thank you so much. I'm very sure the conference that you have today and maybe yesterday too, if I'm not mistaken, will go a long way in helping to revisit the spirit of the sixth schedule throughout northeastern state and also in India as a whole. Friends, I think our CM of KHCC must have already mentioned about few states who does not have this council. Now they spend all the way from far away to spend few days, few weeks here in Shillong to know exactly what is the real meaning of district council, which I personally feel this is the encouragement for having more district council in the near future in our nation. So we should not forget one thing. Reverend JJM Nichols Roy here in Meghalaya is popularly known as the father of six children. And I'm very sure the six children was his brain along with our late Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India. And ultimately, we, the generation today, and the generation to come, we enjoy, and not only that, we are being guided constitutionally by the six children. We should not allow any misinterpretation of the Constitution of India, because some forces I could see nowadays, they said that this council in the present context is irrelevant. I think that is very unfortunate. It is really, really very unfortunate. Let me tell you, in the context of Meghalaya, we are as we are because of the British Council. Just a few years back, India was in the turmoil, I think we all know, before passing the CAB. But let me tell you gladly, just because of the 6 children, we were exempted from the purview of the CAA. So friends, I would like to again salute this greatest personality, and not only that, his family members, especially the church. He hails from the Church of God. The church leaders are here, the pastors are here. Thank you so much. You produced a wonderful and a very special personality in the name of Reverend JJM Nicholson. So let this small function will remain with us, and it will go down to the history not only of Meghalaya, but it will go down to the history of the 6 children in India. With these few words, once again,